This is the Garmin Forerunner 70. If you're a runner looking to upgrade your workouts, this is the running smartwatch for you. Whether you're training for your first event or chasing a personal marathon milestone, the Forerunner will help you smash your running or fitness goals. Let's take a closer look. The smartwatch acts like your own personal running coach. Simply identify a target event that you want to prepare for, and the Garmin coach will create a personalised training schedule based on your skill level for the months leading up to the event. These can include beginner-friendly programs all the way up to high-volume, high-intensity plans for experienced runners. Garmin Run Coach is an adaptive program, which means it intelligently adjusts the balance between personalised workouts and rest days to optimise training efficiency and effectiveness, while minimising the risk of burnout and injury. If you don't have a particular event in mind, that's fine too. You can still get daily suggested workouts based on your performance and your recovery history. And you can create your own workouts right from the watch itself, based on how long you want to run for and how intense you'd like it to be. With the new quick workouts feature, it's a great way to mix up your runs and improve your fitness without needing to follow a full training plan. In between workouts, the Forerunner tracks your sleep and rest data to provide your sleep score and outline detailed insights to help improve sleep. It will track your energy levels to tell you how long you should recover for before your next run. And in your morning report, you'll get a score from 1 to 100, estimating how ready you are to have a productive workout. If you'd like more info about the Garmin Forerunner 70, then visit us in store, head online, or you can talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.